Three additional methods that come in handy in manipulating strings are remove, replace, and insert. With the remove, we specify a starting index and the number, and optionally the number of characters. If I don't specify the number of characters, it will remove everything to the end, just like substring takes everything to the end. Here I have a string variable called hobbit equals Bilbo Baggins, and LBL output.text equals hobbit.remove, and I specify index 5, that's the 6th character. It's going to remove everything from that space to the end, and I'm left with Bilbo. That's what is placed in the label. In the same manner, if I say LBL output.text equals hobbit.remove, and I say 0, 6, I'm going to remove the first 6 characters starting at index 0. What's placed in the text of LBL output is Baggins. We also have a replace method where I can specify an old string and the new string and replace the old string with the new string. So again, taking our hobbit example, LBL output.text equals hobbit.replace, I can replace Bilbo with Frodo, and what goes into the text property of LBL output in that case is Frodo Baggins. The insert method allows me to specify an index location of where I want to insert a character or string. In this case, I'm going to go to character 6, which would be after the space, and I'm going to add J period space. And the result is Bilbo J period Baggins. Now again, in this case, I'm not changing Hobbit itself. I'm taking Hobbit and making a manipulation and assigning it to a property. But if I wanted to change Hobbit itself, we could say Hobbit equals Hobbit.replace and replace Bilbo with Frodo, and now Hobbit would equal Frodo Baggins. In the next lesson, we'll look at the fact that string methods are immutable, but we can replace a string with a new assigned string. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Programming Practicum playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos I create, you can click my picture in the top right to subscribe to the channel.